Today I'm gonna share to you how the way to make my Thanksgiving table centerpiece. This is the first one that I have to do. This is the foam, and this is the base that I'm gonna use it. This is from the wood that we made this one, and I have a group of these. The next one is the squash, and then the pine tree flowers, sunflowers, and also the leaves. This is the Thanksgiving flowers and another leaves. So I will show it to you how the way to make the table centerpiece for Thanksgiving. The one that I have to make. I'm gonna put it all together and design for my Thanksgiving center table piece. And this is the base that I have to make in the foam. This one I'm gonna cut it into pieces to fit for this base. Here we go, guys. I put this one, the foam, already here so that it could be secure for this all decoration that I'm gonna put it together. And the first thing is I have to put this one also to secure it. Here's the thing that I did to secure everything. And then the first thing that I have to do is I have to put the leaves. I have to put it in the middle. It's the one supposed to be. And this one here. Then to secure it has to put this. Okay. Every corner I will put this one. And this is the another one. Okay. And this is the fourth one. There you go. And now I need to secure it. There you go. That one, it should be like this. Then this one. This is the pine tree flower. That's what they called. And I'm gonna put this one. I believe it's also 4. Hopefully I have enough. Yes. I have 4 pieces also. So now I have to do that and put it there. Sorry, I need to adjust a little bit. There you go. The third one is gonna be here also. If you start the leaves, dropping leaves 4 pieces, you have to put 4 pieces also for any kind of your decoration that you need to put. And this is it. So it should be out, right? That's a little things that we had. So, and then the next one is I need to secure. You have to secure for everything through to this glue gun. Okay, and then the next one is the flowers. So when you have the flowers, you have to put it in between. That's the one. You have to put it in between of these things. As always, is you have to put 4 pieces, because you started for the 4 pieces things. You have to put 4 pieces also, so that it's gonna be balanced. Okay, and you have to put it sliding. This one is a little bit, oh, it's giving me a little bit hard time, but it's gonna be good. Let me redo it again. There you go. There you go. And then, as I mentioned to you earlier, I have this. Here's the finale. So this one, the one that I make for the Thanksgiving, I will put it centerpiece in the middle. Hope you like it, my arrangement. So guys, here's the finale of my Thanksgiving table centerpiece. This is how the way you do it. Hope you like it and hope you learned something. Okay, thank you. See you for my next video. And now, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification below